This video shows how to unpack the Vector H oven. Before you begin, make sure you have an appropriate lifting device and enough personnel to safely move the weight of the oven. Refer to the product's specification sheet for the oven's ship and net weights before lifting the oven. You will need various hand tools to remove the packing materials. You will also need personal protective equipment. To unpack the oven, do the following. Remove the box. Start by removing the top of the box. Save all packing materials for inspection by the carrier. Remove the top of the box. Examine the appliance for damage. If the appliance has been damaged, do not use the appliance until it has been inspected by an authorized service provider. Contact your carrier or the Alto-Shaam customer experience team. Remove the staples fastening the box to the pallet. Remove the box from around the oven, with assistance if necessary. Remove the shrink wrap. Remove any accessories packaged with the oven. Cut the restraining straps. Remove the oven from the pallet. Carefully lift the oven and make sure you have enough clearance under the oven before removing the pallet. Remove the pallet from under the oven. Carefully set down the oven. Remove the protective paper as well as any packing material from inside the oven before use. The oven is now unpacked. For more how-to videos, please visit our website.